Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download and play Valorant Mobile, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download and play Valorant Mobile, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. But before I show you how to do it, first, I want you to make sure that you have either a WeChat or QQ account since these are the only available platforms that will allow you to log in to the Valorant app and play it as of now. So if you don't have an account on any of those two, just make one. There are a lot of tutorial videos on YouTube on how to create an account, so just watch it. And now that you have your QQ or WeChat account, let me now show you how to download the game. So to do that, first, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to search Valorant Mobile on the search bar. And after searching, you will then be able to see this website. So on this website is where we will download the Valorant Mobile APK, so just go and open it. And once you're on the website, next, I want you to tap this download button right here. And then tap the download button once again. And after that, your system will ask for confirmation if you really want to download the app, so just tap the download anyway button to start the downloading process of the game. And after that, there you go guys, your Valorant Mobile APK will now start downloading, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the game. And then the game will now start installing, just wait for it to finish and then you will now be able to play the game. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching, goodbye.